Well, good morning. I'm Jagender Rana. Topic of the day is gender gaps and risk protection. Gender gaps and risk protection. In India, gender disparities persist across various dimensions, including financial inclusion and risk protection. Despite women's growing contribution to household incomes and the economy, their access to insurance remains significantly lower than men. Women face unique risks related to health, income, security, and their roles as caregivers. Yet, traditional insurance products often fail to address these specific needs. So, inclusive insurance for women is critical not only for empowering them but also for building a resilient society. Tailoring insurance products to women's unique requirements, combined with effective distribution strategies, can bridge the gender gap in risk protection and enhance overall financial inclusion. So, the gender gap in insurance can be seen because the India has made strides in increasing financial inclusion, but women remain underrepresented in insurance. Underrepresented. According to the Global Findex Database 2021, only 20% of the Indian women have insurance coverage. So, compared to 30% of men, this gap is even wider in rural areas where cultural norms, lack of awareness, and financial dependency limit women's access to insurance. There are certain key barriers like cultural and social norms because women's financial decisions are often influenced or controlled by male family members. Then economic inequality, women typically earn less than men and are more likely to work in informal sectors with no insurance benefits. There is lack of awareness. Many women are unaware of insurance products or their benefits. And then gender bias in product design. Traditional insurance products often fail to address risks specific to women, such as maternity, childcare, and violence. So, gender equality in the insurance industry has been a long standing issue for many years. Despite advances in technology and the general improvement of society, the insurance industry has lagged in gender equality. There is still a considerable gap between men and women regarding access to insurance services, pay, and job opportunities. Although there are several family insurance plans, and individual plans, there is still a need for health plans tailored to women's medical needs. The insurance industry is integral to the modern economy, and its importance cannot be overstated. It provides financial protection to individuals, businesses, and governments in the event of a disaster or injury. So, in addition, it provides a source of income for many people who work in the insurance industry, such as agents and brokers and other intermediaries. So, the gender inequality in the insurance industry is also reflected in how policies are designed and implemented. In addition, women are likely to be denied coverage for specific policies such as health plans. You can understand the need and importance of insurance for women by considering the following, like certain illnesses such as breast cancer and cancer of the reproductive system are only found in women. So when these illnesses strike, the cost of treatment are high. Women may face financial difficulties in meeting treatment cost if they do not have health insurance. So health insurance for women that covers these specific illnesses is essential. Then women bear children, but maternity costs are high. Furthermore, additional medical expenses may be incurred if there is a complication during childbirth. Maternity-oriented women's health insurance plans are required to cover these maternity expenses. The women can deduct the premiums they pay for their health insurance policies from their taxes. Section 80D of the ITA, that is Income Tax Act of 1961, allows them to deduct the premiums paid for a woman's health insurance policy up to rupees 25,000. It assists women in lowering their taxable income and, as a result, their tax liability. So, insurance industry faces increasing pressure to address gender inequality. Several countries have implemented laws and regulations that prohibit discrimination based on gender. In addition, many large insurance companies have set up internal policies and procedures to promote gender equality in the workplace. You should consider the following factors before buying women health insurance. Make sure the plan covers the specific healthcare needs of women. It includes parental care, mammograms, gynecological exams, contraceptive coverage, fertility treatments, and maternity care. Then be sure to consider the monthly premium and out-of-pocket expenses such as deductibles and co-payments. Consider if the plan has a network of providers you are comfortable with. Then check to see if the plan can be tailored to fit your individual needs. Ensure that the plan covers pre-existing conditions and does not restrict coverage for any medical services. Make sure the plan includes coverage for prescription drugs. Look for a plan that includes coverage for mental health services such as counseling and therapy. Then see if the plan covers the preventive care such as immunization and health screenings. So there have also been several initiatives launched by private and public organizations to promote gender equality in the insurance industry. So for instance, the International Association of Insurance Surveyors Supervisors has launched the Women in Insurance initiatives, which seeks to increase the representation of women in senior management positions in the insurance sector. Overall, it is clear that there is still an extended way to go in terms of achieving gender equality of women health insurance. However, with the right policies and initiatives in place, it is possible to make progress in the area. Government, private organizations, and health insurance companies must continue to work together to promote gender equality in the insurance industry. Because understanding women's unique insurance need is very important. As far as health insurance is concerned, women face distinct health risks, including maternity-related complications, reproductive health issues, and a higher susceptibility to certain chronic illnesses. Therefore, prioritize family health over their own, leading to delayed treatments. So, life insurance also differentiate because women in formal or in informal sectors or homemakers contribute indirectly to household income through caregiving. A life insurance policy tailored for them can mitigate the financial impact of their absence. Women are disproportionately affected by job loss or income instability, particularly in sectors like agriculture and textiles, which are vulnerable to economic shocks. So, women face the risk of domestic abuse, which can lead to physical, emotional, and financial distress. Insurance products addressing the violence every cost are essential. Women led micro and small enterprises often lack access to affordable business insurance, making them vulnerable to losses from theft, fire, or natural disasters. So, to address these unique needs, insurance products must be designed with a gender sensitive approach. For that, key strategies are required, like maternity and reproductive health coverage, comprehensive health policies that include maternity benefits, fertilizer treatments, and neonatal care. Then, policies offering financial and legal support for victims of domestic abuse. Life insurance policies recognizing the economic value of unpaid caregiving work. Women, particularly in rural areas, often have irregular incomes, offering low cost insurance with flexible premium payment options such as monthly or seasonal payments can increase accessibility. So, integrating insurance products with existing government programs like PM, Jan Arogya Yojana, and self help groups ensures wide reach and affordability. So, affordable and micro insurance policies tailored to women entrepreneurs covering risks like theft, fire, and business interruption can protect their livelihood and encourage business growth. So, digital platforms and mobile based insurance products reduce the dependency on physical infrastructure, making insurance accessible to rural women. For instance, SMS based claim updates, online purchase, and renewal of policies. So, the success of inclusive insurance products lies not just in their design but also in their effective distribution. Women often face challenges in accessing formal financial services, necessitating innovative approaches. Self help groups in India, comprising millions of rural women, provide an excellent platform for promoting insurance awareness and distribution. Anganwadi workers are the grassroots health workers. They can act as insurance ambassadors, educating women about available products. Deploying female insurance agents can build trust and make women more comfortable discussing sensitive issues like health and domestic violence. So, partnering with the non-government organizations and the microfinance institutions helps insurance tap into their established network and credibility in rural areas. The mobile apps and digital wallets can simplify the purchase and renewal of policies, especially for tech-savvy urban women. Insurance awareness campaigns through social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram can reach younger demographics. Educating women about the importance of insurance and how it works is critical. Workshop, community meeting, and awareness drives can demystify insurance and empower women to make informed decisions. A comprehensive life insurance plan designed for women offering maternity benefits and coverage for critical illnesses like cervical and breast cancer is the need of the hour. So covers health conditions unique to women, including pregnancy and complications and hormonal disorders. These are the basic requirements for women. So, inclusive insurance for women is not merely a social obligation, it is an economic necessity. Bridging the gender gap in insurance can enhance financial security for women, improve household resilience, and contribute to economic growth. In India, where women constitutes nearly half of the population, their inclusion in the insurance ecosystem is vital. So, by designing tailored products, leveraging technology, and adopting innovative distribution strategies, insurers can tap into this underserved market while empowering women to face life's uncertainties with confidence. So, inclusive insurance is not just about risk protection, it is about creating a safer, more equitable future for all. Thank you very much.